Here's the spring is in the air litter at 8 weeks old. There's Gibson. Hey Gibson. Hi sweetie. Josie. Hi Josie. Here comes Billy. Hi Billy. Freesia is over by the door looking to get out. Come on, Freesia, come here. You're gonna get to go out of the nursery today, guys. They've snuck out once or twice. Gibson. They like playing on the scale. Freesia. Hey baby. Hi. Oh yes, Josie's vocal. Hi Freesia. Hello. Hi sweetie. Hi sweetie. I know you want to go outside. How about playing on the scale, baby? Josie. Josie. Hey, baby. Hi. She's a good girl. Hi, sweetheart. Billy. Billy. So what's that thing in your hand, Mom? Hey, Billy. Hi, Billy. Hey, handsome. You gonna jump up? Huh? Hi. Hello, handsome. Billy. Hi, Billy. I know you want to get out, honey. She escaped when I was bringing them breakfast, so now she's really focused on getting out. Gibson! Hi, hon. Hi, hon. Okay, well that's it for this week. For now, it is goodbye from the Spring is in the Air litter. Say goodbye, Gibson. Hey, buddy, say goodbye. Bye-bye.